We're gonna go the route that I used to always take every time I would be in Buldang and heading back home. Because the cafe we're gonna go to right now is where my old apartment used to be at. This is a cafe that me and Brian used to go to. I think at least twice a month we would be here because the vibes is just so good. It's not loud, like it's like a, I don't know how to explain it. Just a loungy, calm vibe, and I really love that about this place. It opens early and closes late, and it was only like a 3-minute bike ride away from our old apartment. I keep referring to it as our apartment, but it's the apartment we used to live at. So the reason why we came to Cheonan was to pick up the rings that we made last week. Wow, so cute, very nice. Wow, oh, that's our wedding rings.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
It's like new again.
it's so new. Oh, I should have shown that before. It was all scratched up.
Whoa,
Wow.
so shiny. Holy crap.
This is our ring. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
I see the shininess.
This is like not tarnished.
Polish.
No, like it had a lot of scratches.
Yeah.
Here you go, baby, go.
Is that mine?
Yes. I kind of like don't want to wear it.
It's so shiny.
It doesn't feel like our ring because it's super shiny.
Wow, what should you do with
So cool.
it? So shiny.
Wow. Wow. Oh, I love that. Brian made this and I made the top one.
Try it.
So cute. I can definitely tell my Korean has gone lower. Wow, 귀엽다. Oh, I love this. My baby made that.
It's one of a kind.
I love it. I made mine specifically, oh, let me show you. A bit bigger so that it's for my thicker fingers. So this was also a place that we would frequent to like once a week, I think it was, because it was just so good. They didn't move location, so it's not in the same place. Like before it was right next to my work, like a 2-minute walk. Now it's a bit further. It's on the main street. It's a bit further out, but I'm so glad we're getting to try this because this was the best haejanguk I've ever had, and I've had a lot.
I'm actually glad this still exists.
I know. I'm glad it's the same place, same people. Yeah. 감사합니다. I'm surprised that nobody no TV show is like coming here. Because like, look at this. This is something I always add. It's Turkey garu. Just makes it more flavorful. I actually feel sad that I didn't film like our mundane life here.
Yeah.
Because I feel like I would have liked it better to look back on that than all the things that like the traveling.
Yeah.
Because we really enjoyed our like mundane day to day. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh my god. It's so soft. Beautiful. That was so good. Bang, that looks good. We're choosing the glasses for the photo. We're doing a photo booth thing. I'll do this.
Is this a safety goggle?
Try it, try it. Oh, we have that at home.
Yeah, in the garage.
Oh, I think this is good for you.
That? It looks so retro. Oh.
Oh.
That one actually.
What?
Backwards.
Whoa! So cool! I kind of like the heart one because we're like.
That was so real. I love it.
Oh, this is all cute.
That was cool.
That's cool too.
That was fun, but it was hot in there. This is so cool. So cute. Cute. Whoa! Charis. This was the little hamster we won. Hi. At the Poke. Pretty cute. It costs about 15,000 won. We're at one of those places that like the ground turns different color and you gotta catch the red color or something. Here you go.
Oh, push, push. That's inside. Don't set down there. I just can't come out red.
Oh my god!
Okay.
That was hard. That was like 15 minutes.
I'm dead.
I'm like already crying.
첫 번째 주인공인 신랑이 너무나도 멋지고 또 파이팅을 붙이게 입장을 잘 마쳤습니다. 입장!